Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tana and my channel Boardroom to Bounce House is all about being a working mom. I make working mommy and lifestyle videos and I try to give you some mommy motivation to get it all done. I'm a 2 under 2 mom. I work full time and I had both my boys while I was also in graduate school. So I'm often asked, how do you do it all? Are you super mom? No, I'm just a regular mom. But I love my family and they are definitely my motivation to work hard and find success and happiness. I love sharing my world with you, so if you want to stick around and hit that subscribe button, we'd love to have you in our little community here on YouTube. This video is the second in my 2020 holiday series, and today I'm getting it all done with a clean and decorate with me video. There's a long list of to-dos, so I hope you can watch and clean alongside me as I clean, undecorate from Halloween, and start to prepare for the upcoming Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays. I'm so excited that we're finally entering the later part of 2020. What a crazy year it has been. I'm also going to run by Target today for some new Christmas decor. I've totally been stalking the dollar spot at my local Target and they haven't had too much yet, but I'm really hoping I might hit the jackpot today and find a few new things to add to my Christmas decor. So come clean with me, shop with me, decorate the front entry with me, and let's get it all done together. So you might be wondering how someone's front entry could get this bad. I have to tell you, this is the worst it's probably ever been. And this is about 6 months worth of stuff. We got this vanity delivered about 6 months ago. We are in the middle of a bathroom renovation upstairs. We thought we were ready for the vanity and it turns out we were not. So this vanity has been sitting in my front entry. It's been collecting everything as we come and go. 2 kids, you know how it can be if you're a working mom or if you're just a busy mom. Your front entry, if it's small like mine, is probably full of stuff as well. So get up, get moving, let's tackle all that to do by the front entry. I was so excited to finally get that vanity out of my foyer. It is amazing having all that space back. I'm sure we'll fill it up again soon and I'll have to clean again, but at least for now we can enjoy a nice clean entryway. Now that Halloween is over, I'm so looking forward to decorating for Christmas, so I am going to stop by Target today and see what I might be able to find at the dollar spot. My dollar spot was pretty bare. They didn't have too much out. I was able to get a couple of these cute trees that you'll see me decorate with later in the video. And I was able to get just a few things from the Magnolia line. But for the most part, my Target didn't have too much in stock yet.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no.
So before I get cleaning again, now that I'm home from Target, I do want to just share with you some of the awesome cleaning products that I was able to pick up, and I got them from Grove. I'm so excited about this Grove box that just came. I can't wait to see what's inside. I spent $53 on this box and I got so much great stuff for free. I was able to pick up 3 of the holiday scents. I'm so excited about them. I'm excited to start using them. I know that we're only rolling into November, but I just can't wait to decorate, and I'm gonna get started right away, because this is a year where if something makes you smile and cheer, you should definitely just embrace it. So I was able to get this stoneware tray and also this Bubble Up soap dispenser with dish brush set. I also got these walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. It's a pack of 2. I got these for free. I got a box of the Grove tissues to try, and one of those free gifts was this glass bottle spray, and it came with this floor cleaner, and this floor cleaner is lavender and thyme. I bet it's gonna smell amazing. Can't wait to use it. My floor is absolutely disgusting right now with my 2 little boys who drop food all over the floor, and the dog doesn't really like fruit, so there's a lot to clean, and I'm looking forward to using these tomorrow. And then I did pick up a couple of the holiday scents for free. So I scooped up the hand soap in Iowa Pine, and I scooped up the dish soap in peppermint scent. But I did pay for a couple of items as well, just to make sure that I ended up with a full set. So I did pick up the new scent this year, the Snowdrop in the all-purpose spray, and then the peppermint all-purpose spray. Which one should I clean with tomorrow? I'll probably let my husband choose. I actually did just go ahead and pick up the entire set in Iowa Pine because I love the smell of pine and I love Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. So went ahead and picked up the dish soap, the multi-surface spray, the hand soap, and this year I also got the room freshener, which will be great to use before we even get our Christmas tree. We get a real one every year, and so we won't be getting that until the day after Thanksgiving. One thing that I had been eyeing from Grove for a while now is this room spray bottle. So I went ahead and got the Sleep scent. It's a relaxation blend. I have a ton of room, a ton of counter space here in my kitchen. Here's the delicious chicken I made for dinner. I have just a little bit of space between the stove and the sink. That's actually the thing I probably hate the most about my kitchen, just because there's not a lot of prep space here. And then we have our drying mat here. So there's not really anywhere that we could put this. I mean, we could put this here, but then I would have to move the cooking utensils, which really, honestly, just isn't really an option. But I picked this anyway, and the reason I picked it is I think it's gonna be the perfect dimensions for my bathroom. And so I'm planning to actually put it in there. Let's go see if it fits. It does fit. Okay, so my husband actually built this bathroom. We'll probably do a video on it at some point just to talk about the DIY and just everything that we did in here. But it has this cute little tiny sink. It's a very small bathroom, and he actually built this little cutout. So this is this is drywall. This is, you know, his work here. And it's great because we can put our soap there, but I don't really like that things spill. So I had my eye on this for some time now, and it fits perfect, which I'm so excited about. So I forgot that I chose pine for both of my hand soaps because I wanted them to be the same scent in the kitchen and the bathroom. So here's pine. And then we can put our little poopery here. If you've never used poopery, go Google them and watch their marketing commercials. It's hilarious. Not sponsored, wish it was. Poopery, I love you. So I have two options. I could go with the white little, I got this at the Target dollar spot. This little guy, I got this at the Target dollar spot too. Kind of like how the black looks with that. So I might go with that little tree. Okay, so I think I'm definitely going with the check one. That's the final decision.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
World's smallest bathroom is clean.
I wanna do what you want to.
So one thing that I love about Grove is that they're a certified B corporation. I actually work for a certified B corporation in my full-time job, and I just love supporting other certified B corps. I love Grove. I love the idea of it and the fact that they are supporting the planet. Grove is a company that cares not just about people, but animals, communities, and the planet too. And of course they care about profit, but all those things that came before I mentioned profit are just as equally important. They are a 100% plastic neutral retailer, and also their shipping is 100% carbon neutral, which is awesome.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you.
That looks great there. Even without the tray, I think it still looks great. And I can't wait to use this little scrubby brush.
Say me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of time. And you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you. And you save me too.
Orange, but also like lavender. It just smells really good. Can you smell it? I wish you could smell it.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland.
Well, there it is, the final version of the entryway without all that stuff. I really went simple this year. At least for now, I want it to be simple. I might go a little bit more red as the season gets closer, but I'm really liking it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Again, my name is Tana, and I hope that you'll hit subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and tell me what you liked the most in the comments. Don't forget, this video is a collaboration with a lot of amazing women here on YouTube, so definitely check out the playlist in my description box below. There's a ton of new content that's been uploaded today, lots of clean and decorate with me videos, tons of holiday decor, and more to come on November 6th. And thank you so much for stopping by. Every like and subscribe means so much to me, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.